Hello and good evening. My name is Benjamin Eguabor, and today I'll be talking to you about the conservation of endangered animals. When we hear about endangered animals, we tend to feel a semblance of guilt, but not really, because we don't think that it truly impacts us. And that simply isn't the case. Morally, it just isn't right to kill these animals for our own gain, whether directly or indirectly. Because of our endless greed regarding advancement of our species, animals across the globe have been negatively impacted as a result. Us building factories, which leads to deforestation, uprooting fossil fuels, which causes a hole in the ozone layer, which also causes global warming, which kills animals. And it's eventually going to affect us. But since we're not truly feeling it, a majority of individuals across the planet do not care. But we have to start caring. And that begins with caring about our animals. Their ecological importance holds a lot of weight. A species becoming endangered is usually an indicator of our ecosystem falling apart. For an example, if bees die out over a short period of time, there will be nothing to pollinate our fruits. And when there's nothing to pollinate our fruits, the fruits begin to die. Common fruits such as apples, apricots, mangoes, when they die out, that leads to the animals that eat this as a main source of life die out too. And that causes a chain reaction. For humans that eat this, it also messes with us. From humans that care about monetary gain, the fruit industry is very big. And without fruits, with these major fruits dying, it puts a blow in our economy, which directly affects humans. So we have to start protecting these animals. Another example would be if rabbits in a particular region die out, that may be a food source for a predator such as a coyote. Then the coyotes die out and it's a chain reaction as well. According to the 2012 paper in the Journal of Advancement Pharmaceutical Technology and Research, about half of all approved drugs created in the past 3 decades have either come directly or indirectly from natural products. So that means that the plants and the animals help us heal from a variety of things. And without these plants, which can be a main source for what for animals that eat them, that leads to animals dying out and becoming endangered. And that leads to us not getting the medicine that we also need to survive, which increases the death rate of us. So, in general, it's terrible. If we don't conserve our plants and we don't conserve the animals, that leads to a chain reaction that eventually hurts us. With that being said, individuals tend to ask after hearing all this, how do we even begin to fix this? Where do we start? And we must first begin becoming morally correct as a collective. That means no more game hunting. That means no more fossil fuels because of the fact that it kills our ozone layer, which leads to global warming.